Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Now select Apps. Click at the top right corner on the three dots and select Permission Manager. Over here, pick one of the options, for example Location, and select an app. I will go with Messages. So now I can pick one of the available options, allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with allow all the time. So when I go back, I can see that Messages gained access to my device location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!